Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating Helsinki nighttime bus line 85N, so we've moved on to the 85 lines which head eastwards from the city center through a road called Itäväylä, which has been pretty rarely used so far in these videos. Well, from now on it will be used quite often, at least when creating these night lines. We're going to start from Central Railway Station, and as usual we're going to create the line first and then add the roads we need to add. So we will start here, and as usual the first stop for buses will be Kaisaniemen Puisto. Then we will stop at let me see, we're going to stop at Hakaniemi and Merihaka, and then we're going to run through Hanasaari and Suvilahti. What is this line? Okay, that's an interesting line. I can't remember creating it, but I don't care right now. Suvilahti and Kalasatama. The following stop will be at let's see. Yes. The following stop will be at Kulosaari, and then we'll stop at Tupasaari. After Tupasaari, we will take a right turn and stop at Herttoniemi-ranta. There we go. Now we're back on newer tracks. Then we have Suolakivenkuja and Reginenkuja, and probably the following stop is Killingholmankuja. And okay, what's next? Okay, this gets interesting. It makes a right turn which other lines don't make. And the following stop really is at Kaivolahden katu. And it's gonna be over here. That's right, these stops are the same stop. The stop really is not located in there, but you know, I'm always, well, once again, let's say, cutting corners a bit to make my own life easier. Isn't that great? I think so, at least. So this is where the difference in the routes is, and I will directly build this different stretch of track in order to be able to see what I will have to build next. So after Killingholmankuja, we will stop at a new stop at Kaivolahden katu, and then probably it's gonna be Tuoriniemi, and it's gonna be Kuukiven katu, and then Yliskylän keskusta and Koirasaaren tie. Okay, sorry. Not this stop at Koirasaaren tie. This stop at Koirasaaren tie. And then Lauri Mikonpojan tie, Rudolfin tie, Kasparinkuja, Svanströmin tie. Then we'll have to make another turn which doesn't yet exist, or actually two of them, because I think that, yes, we will take a turn from this track to this track, this road to that road is more correct. So yes, and then we will also take a left turn in here after moving the signals a bit backwards, because no, sorry, right turn in here, because oh dear, where is my double track? What happened with it? I mean, why can't I just, there we go. That should work. And let's also move those a bit, and then add Okay, I think that's enough building for now. Let's go back to the line. Because after this Svanströming, we will then take those couple of turns which other lines don't take. And we will next stop at Sarpapolku, where the issue actually is that I misplaced that stop. So we will not stop at Sarpapolku. Instead, we will stop at Itä-Sarvastantie. Let's see if this was made correctly. It was. And then we'll stop at Takilatie, at Rannikolaurintie, at Hämeenapentie, at Kellarpellon polku, at Puuskakuja, and at Puuskarinne, and that's it. First line, numbered 80 something N, is ready to be returned home, or is ready to return home to the central railway station, and I am gonna be ready to start preparing for my next video. Of course, not just quite yet. We're still not at the railway station. We still haven't bought any buses. How do we survive this turn then? Let's see. What the? There is no such option. Well, something's happened here. And there's an interesting thing is now, where does the bus return to the main track? And the answer is it returns after Herttoniemenranta. So there is actually a junction missing in here. This might have some effects on other lines too, but let's just not get into this right now. I have completely missed something in the previous videos. Wonderful. So we don't have a stop called Kipparlahti here. No, we don't. Okay, good. That's cool. That's completely fine. But still, I wonder how this is possible. But okay, just okay. And there it is. After a couple of interesting difficulties, the line has been created. And let's have a look at the timetable. From Rautatientori to Jollas. The bus runs every... That's a strange interval. That's 22 plus 4 is 26 minutes. That's 30 minutes sharp. That's 29 minutes. Let's say 30 minutes sharp. It's just going to be easier that way. And the first bus on the line is going to be this one. 85N. Purchase it, and I will need 3 of them. So there we go. And the third one. And I think this concludes the line. It does. Line 85N has been created, and I wish you guys a very happy Friday. There will be a new video tomorrow. Until then, bye.